I'm in the Loop, a short walk from Millennium Park and the fabulous Riverwalk, steps from Macy's and State Street shops, from downtown theaters, Daily Plaza, and a wide variety of restaurants. I'm headed across the street for a walk through one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished short-term apartments at Marquee at Block 37. Marquee is a pet-friendly, high-amenity building with a large rooftop fitness center that includes a wide variety of cardio and strength training equipment. The landscaped sky terrace outside the fitness center has a hot tub and sweeping skyline views. The pool deck overlooks Daily Plaza and has private cabanas, grilling areas, and a dog run. Another outdoor terrace overlooks State Street. Resident lounge areas have coffee service and include a space with gaming tables, a comfortable media room, and a separate space for hosting events. The apartments have indoor access to the Block 37 shops, dine-in movie theaters and restaurants, and to the CTA Red and Blue Line stops and the underground pedway system. I'm in the foyer of apartment 3301, a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, looking at the entry door and 2 closets, one of them set up with an ironing board, and extra light bulbs. Then to the right, as you would have entered, it's a laundry room, side-by-side washer-dryer, shelving up above, and we're looking into the apartment. It's a hall console table. The entry foyer is offset to give you a sense of arrival. You walk into this absolutely great room. Floor-to-ceiling windows looking to the north and east over Lake Michigan. Kitchen has quartz counters, a wide breakfast bar peninsula, set up to seat 4. French door refrigerator, gas range, built-in microwave, soft close cabinetry, dishwasher, of course, pendant lighting above the peninsula. And you're looking at plank flooring that extends throughout the unit. Great feeling to this room. Heading toward the window, you can see just how close you are to the lake. Grant Park, Millennium Park, Macy's across the street, public transit in every direction, table seating for 4, home office desk with a view out over the river. Chicago's fabulous Riverwalk is just a short block to the north. It's a great room for just relaxing, gathering, entertaining. Flat panel TV in the living area and in each of the 3 bedrooms. It's a sweet home apartment, so set up with everything you're going to want to feel instantly at home. Countertop appliances, cutlery, knives, welcoming goodie bag, all the dishes, pots, pans, etc. that you're going to need to cook and entertain. Kitchen has a pantry cabinet for additional storage. Heading toward the 3rd of the 3 bedrooms, it has an ensuite bath, windows facing out to the east, a wide closet, and the bath has attractive finishes and a walk-in shower. It's a wall-mounted medicine cabinet, back of drawers for storage, and again, in a hotel-like touch, there's a welcoming kit of toiletries and soap. Heading past the living area again, where the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms, there's another closet. Looking at the guest bath, same attractive finishes you saw in the first bath. There's a tub here. Bedroom. Got a nice size for a third bedroom, second bedroom. Windows looking out to the west, to the north. Then you walk into the master. Set up with what appears to be a king-size bed. Floor-to-ceiling windows. Lots of space to relax and just treat this as a master retreat. Great views from the windows. Looking out at the iconic Marina City, Trump Tower, the Jewelers Building, Chicago's fabulous architecture. Heading back toward the bath, you have two walk-in closets flanking the entry to the bath, set up with additional linens and bedding and a laundry basket, and then a posh master bath. Wide double bowl vanity, deep soaking tub, walk-in shower, great setup. Marquee has a very vibrant loop location, an excellent suite of amenities. A sweet home will make you feel right at home. It's a sweet deal.